What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today's video guys, meron tayong dalawang frequently asked question, no? So, maraming talagang nagtatanong nito. So, is it possible daw na mag-add ng restriction code while processing sa change of classification? Yes guys, possible yan. But required mo na mag-take ng exam, written exam at practical exam. Then there's an additional fee, okay, 100 for additional restriction codes. So based sa LTO website, ha. So pangalawang tanong guys, can I request for a PDL to NPDL classification change? So instead of non-pro to professional, parang mag-downgrade siya PDL to NPDL. Yes, possible din po yan. Sabi sa LTO website, it's almost the same. It's actually the same process, requirements, fees, procedure. But I think this request is ano lang, madalang lang. So, siguro ayaw na lang ng responsibilidad. Kasi iba kasi pag hawak mo is professional driver's license in mass, marami kang responsibility. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And if you have questions, clarification guys, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe and like. And you have a great day, everyone.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.